Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S86 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google App, enter More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant and go to Voice Match. Enable OK Google function, tap Next, Agree and Continue. Now go back, enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Now, simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 72 and a low of 49.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.